I've unplugged this for now, but that's ready to go back on because I'm going to stick some foam on it. But now that you've got the wiring all in, I put my receiver at the back, with the camera obviously at the front. Then I put the FPV transmitter and the receiver at the back. So I'm going to sticky foam this up a minute. So one layer on the bottom. You can mount all your FPV equipment whatever way you want to mount it into the drone really. This way has worked for me in the past because I've got quite a big video transmitter. It takes up, don't quite fit between there, so that's why I mount it up sideways like that. Put it over the side so I can have the aerial at the top. White wire at the top on the BVCC. When I sandwich the top plate on now, that'll stick it in place good. Right, run to the front. I've only got the camera, I haven't got a bracket for it, so. And I find if you fit this piece in, it's quite hard to get the camera to sit in this square. It'll move around all awkward. So, and without it, it just seems like you push it in and I can just adjust the angle quite easy. And then I'll just hot glue the sides then to the right, whatever angle I want it at. Right, let's connect this up. Then connected. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to hot glue, but my glue gun is broke and it takes too long to set up, so I just do it this way. And it's pretty good as well if you take the glue stick out with you when you're flying, because you can always fix the drone when you're out. You just heat it up with a lighter and just pretty much spread it on. The tilt on your FPV camera is completely up to you, but when you're first learning, you'll probably find that with it almost flat, you'll be able to land quite easy, and it's easier for learning. But then the more you fly, you start picking up the speed, then you find that you're looking at the floor all the time, so you end up picking your FPV camera angle up. I normally have mine roughly about 25. Something like that. We get to put that back plate on. This part will squish down. It's just because I've got so much foam under there. But so, now, got the Race Drone. The USB's on the side, so I can always plug it in without having to strip it apart. Pretty much push it down through these back holes. Well, this is normally the front, but if you have it at the back, you can always cable tie out to these grooves anyway if you've put the front plate and actually got the camera mount on there. I don't use the camera mount, so I'll just do it this way. That's pretty much cable tie all the way down, so it's sticking up. Should be a cable tie sticking up. Do the same on the other side. Still. Right. Cable ties down. What I would do then is just get a heat shrink, put it against it, and heat shrink over it, but because I've already done that, I should just be able to slide mine up the heat shrink. One race drone built. I can't show you the HD camera because you're there filming, so I cannot show you. You can either run the battery on top, so it clicks in, which that's what I've been doing for the past year, but I'm tempted this time, and that's what the straps are for. There you go, you hook these through the drone. It's always good as well to put Velcro on there and Velcro on your batteries, and then you can Velcro them to where they need to be. You can put an elastic band around there and then it'll stop it getting hit, but just make sure that your props ain't gonna hit this when it's plugged in. So I normally put it at the back and then stretch the lead right down to there. You can mount your battery underneath, which then, I don't know, I haven't tried it that way. I am tempted to try it that way this time. Yeah, you'll see the FPV's working fine, so it's pretty much ready to go. We'll install the props now when we're done. We've got two types. Got ones without an R on and ones with an R on. These ones haven't got an R. That's that side. Ones with the gold nut screw off like normal, and then the prop where you put it on always points out that way and tilts forwards down that way on the back, and then the same on the front, always tilts forwards and out. That's the way that I remember it anyway. So yeah, the drone is finished. I hope this video helped. So if you need to know anything else, or if there's anything that I've missed, I'll try and add in with subtitles or something like that. But yeah, feel free to leave a comment below and see if I've missed anything. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.